Oh, hey, I didn't see you standing there. But since you're here, why don't you come along so I can take you on the full tour of how we get your lenses from order to your hands. First, we'll start by grabbing our tray. We're working on Tiffany's order today. First process we're gonna do is scanning the order into our system, which is actually gonna notify Tiffany that her lenses have been received to the lab and are gonna be worked on right now. Now we're gonna bring our tray over here. First thing we're gonna do is grab our lenses out over here and verify everything that came to us is ready to be cut out. So she had ordered a Trivix Transition Extractive Brown with a gold mirror and also an AR Plus. So these are gonna be the lenses. They're right now detransitions and they have a gold shimmer to them. Whenever they are transitioned fully, they have a really cool effect. And just like that, they are fully transitioned into a gold mirror with a brown tint on the back over here. All right, so for Tiffany, she had ordered this Cazal Legend 648 model, and it's in the color 003. We're gonna open out the packaging and we're gonna inspect the frame. First thing we're gonna do is popping out the original demo lenses. Just putting a little pressure on the corner over here of the frame and it comes out. That's simple. Now we're gonna put the frame over here into the tracer, align it perfectly over here. This part over here has to line right into the middle of the bridge. And now we're gonna input information over here. This is gonna save her information for a future order. Tiffany's information is input into the machine. Now we're gonna start tracing the frame. A small prong is gonna come out. It's gonna trace the entire lining of the frame so that we can get the exact cutout on the lenses. Perfect, now that the frame's traced out, we're gonna input Tiffany's measurements. She has a monocular PD of a 70, so each eye is gonna have a 35 PD measurement. Her fitting heights are gonna be at a 26 for both eyes. And Tiffany also does have astigmatism, and we're gonna correct that with an axis. And her axis on her order is gonna be 84 for the right eye, and 107 for the left eye. This is the right lens. We're gonna be putting it into the scanner and we're gonna start. Now I'm gonna take off the blocking sticker and place the blocking pad on it. Put it over here. You got it perfect. And here is our right lens perfectly blocked. Once the lenses have been fully blocked, we're gonna bring it over here to the next machine, transfer over the job. So this is gonna be a Trivix lens. We're gonna cut it down to a 0.5 of a millimeter, and we're gonna be polishing it with a back safety bevel on it. Clips in just like that, and started the machine. And here's our right lens fully cut out. Once our lenses are cut and dried, we're gonna bring it over to the fitting station. All right. Here's our frame and both of our lenses. We're gonna start off by fitting in the right lens. There's our right lens perfectly fitted. Completely intact. No edges are actually popping out. This also does have a 6 base curve. This is our left lens going in. Perfect. Once lenses are fitted, we're going to de-block both the lenses. Alright, let's inspect the frame real quick. All the detailing on the frame looks perfect. Gazelle logo on the temples are good, as well as on the bridge over here. Nose pads are good. Now we're going to check for standard alignment. That's good. Perfect. And the temples are perfect over here. Now we're going to bring our frame and our tray over here to our lensometer, where we're going to double check the verification of the prescription. So our axis for our frame is supposed to be at a 84. Set our axis wheel over here to 84. Our frame up here. Perfect. And take a look over there. That is for our right eye, and it's perfectly aligned. Now we're going to do the left eye. The left eye axis is supposed to be at 107. Fantastic. Once that's done, we're going to bring it over to our automatic reader. And here we're going to get the exact same measurements and get a printout over here for our customer. Scanned it out at 83. And our left eye is exactly at a 107. Print out our document where we're going to staple this onto our order. That way if our customer asks us to reconfirm it, we can pull it out over here. The last step and my favorite part, cleaning the lenses and seeing the final results. First, we're going to grab our cleaning solution, spray both lenses, and use our microfiber cleaning cloth to wipe each corner and every part of the lens. Ensure there are no smudges or any coatings left on the lens. This is what the frame looks like with the lenses detransitioned. And this is them on. Cool, right? Now we're going to transition the lenses. And there you have it. These are the Transition Extra Active Gold mirrors. Cool, right? Once that's done, I'm just gonna give it one last wipe on the nose pads, since I put them on for a demonstration, and the temples. We're gonna bag up the frame. And this one as well. There you have it, your prescription lenses are completed. Our last and final scan to let the customer know that the lenses are completed from the lab.